So, dear student, as the sun is at the center of the solar system, it is in a fixed position. So, how can we have the experience of the sunrise and the sunset in the sky? Because because of the movements of the earth, the two movements. One is rotation and the revolution. So, now we'll look into the meaning of rotation. The spinning motion of the earth on its axis is called rotation. So the earth completes one rotation in 24 hours. So the earth rotates from west to east. So the spinning motion of the earth on its axis is called rotation. So how many hours it takes? It takes one rotation to complete one rotation, 24 hours, as it's moved from west to east. So what happens due to this rotation? Due to this rotation, we are going to have an experience of day and night. So the time taken by the earth to complete one rotation is how many hours? 24 hours. It takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. And the rotation of the earth, what happens? Due to the rotation of the earth, it causes day and night. So day and night, why you are experiencing? Because of the rotation of the earth. So day and night. We know that earth receives light and heat from the sun, and the side of the earth facing towards the sun will experience as the day, and the side which are not facing will have a night. Why? Because this is due to the rotation of the earth, so that with the sun rises in the east and it sets in the west. And the other movement is what? Another one, revolution. So earth moves around the sun in an oval shaped orbit. Because of this, revolution happens. So the earth, when it moves around the sun in an oval shaped orbit, this motion of the earth, what happens, or this movement of the earth, what happens, it creates revolution. So when the earth moves around the sun, turns around the sun in an oval shaped orbit, the movement of the earth is called revolution. So children, due to rotation, what happens? Day and night we experience, right? Whereas due to revolution, what happens? It causes season. Which are those seasons? Summer, winter, spring, rainy seasons. So the time taken by earth to complete one revolution is 365 and 1 by 4th days. Whereas rotation takes 24 hours. But the time taken by the earth to complete one revolution is 365 days and 365 and a half days. So the revolution of the earth leads to what? Seasons. Next, now we shall see the meaning of orbit. What is orbit? An imaginary oval path along which the planets revolve around the sun is called orbit. So an imaginary oval path which the planets are moving around the sun, we call it as orbit. And the same way, the path on which the earth is going to revolve or turn around the sun is called orbit. So the way or the path on which the earth is going to turn around the sun is called orbit. So the changes of season occurs due to what? Due to revolution of the earth. So dear students, in today's class we saw two movements of the earth. One is rotation and the revolution. Rotation occurs, leads to what? Day and night. Revolution causes seasons. Because of these two movements, what we are experiencing? Day and night and the different seasons. So in the next class, we are going to learn about effects of this rotation and revolution. Please go through the video. Thank you.